What is going on, guys? Kenny LS1 back at it with another video for you guys to watch, man. I know y'all been waiting for it. I already know y'all gotta tell me. Let's just go ahead and talk for a bit, you know. Gonna go. Actually, I just got done washing the truck. So as you can see, like, I got the stuff right here. You know, wash it, tried it already. Shining. You already know. But next thing on the list to do is actually the oil change. So I want to get started on that right now. Let's see what we get ourselves into. So let's go to I usually go to Home Depot for my oil. I ain't gonna lie, it's a little bit cheaper. So let's go ahead and, you know, let's save ourselves some extra bucks or a few bucks. One thing is that I just washed my truck, so I can't put my windows down. So let's just pray the AC works. Make sure everything's good. Oh yeah, it's blowing. It's blowing for sure. And then yesterday, I was on the highway, right? I went to my boy's truck meet all the way in Bolingbrook. And I was on the way back. I was like, what, like 15 minutes away from home, because obviously it's like a 40-minute drive on the way back. And man, it was just, my truck just started like stuttering, like it was just shaking hard. And then so I mean I didn't let go of the gas, so I just kept going. And then right on my exit, I stopped and it just started jerking, right? Because obviously there's no power going through, because you're just at a stoplight, so it just started jerking. And then I was like, man, whatever, as long as I'm home. I'm like right off the E-way, so as long as I'm home, I was like, whatever, I'll just check up on it tomorrow, because it was already obviously kind of late. So I wake up, I told my dad, I was like, yo, let's go to the shop, this and that. Man, so we go. Obviously it was a misfire, you know, something like that is always like a misfire. So good thing it wasn't a misfire, but it was just like the what is this called? Well, basically man, y'all gonna roast me in the chat because I don't know my parts, bro. Hold on, I know there's something. Just wires, like plug wires. Okay, so I just it got, like, you can see right there, you know, it was just like hitting the steering column, or not the column, well, you know, whatever, like, it's just the steering wheel, and then it's right there. So it was just rubbing every time I used to turn. So when I actually seen it, they turned it on, it sparked up because it was obviously touching with it. So that's mainly all of what it was. So I just had to change it, and then we just try to avoid it contacting each other's. Let's go to Home Depot, try to get our oil, our supplies. Oh, I mean, we actually do gotta go to O'Reilly, get the oil filter, so we'll be stopping by there as well. So catch you guys probably there, you know. I'll just get the camera back on when we're back. Alright guys, so it's been like a couple of hours. I just got done getting the stuff ready. As you can see right there, getting the supplies and stuff. I actually need this wrench to remove the oil filter. But now, I think Brian just pulled up right now, exactly. So yeah, right now, all I'm gonna do is remove the oil so I can, hopefully it cool down. I mean, I'm telling you, it's been a couple of hours, so let's get to it, basically. Alright guys, so let me get my tools ready. You already know. Right now we're gonna take the tire off to remove the oil. Nah, just playing. Remove the battery. Nah, I just need to check which one it is though. So let me probably like a 12. Probably like a 12, like a 13, you know, the basics. You know, the ones that come in all of them, so. You know when they say when you be a mechanic, you gotta double up on your 8s and your 10s, so, cause siempre se te pierden, so. Oh no, Oh, damn, it's gonna be like a 13. Yeah, it's gonna be like a 13, like a 14. So, 14, 15. Try a 16 también, we'll remove it quick, push up. So it was a size 15. Let's go ahead and try it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay, I'm gonna get some napkins. Oh, low-key, that would be right. We use that rag. Fucking awesome. I don't want to burn myself, so I gotta double up. Three, two, one. Yes, sir. And I caught it. Yes, sir. It is hot. Like, we should time it. How long do I take, right? About like a good hour. Low key, a good hour. Damn. Sounds like, oh shit. That's a lot of oil. Todo negro.
Como la Black Pony, güey.
Damn, bro, it's not even oil no more. Ya está todo like, what is that called? Like thick and like, it's like a slushy. Yeah, I mean, it's my daily. I've been using it every day. Every day, and like the weekends, I be going out like far, like out of the city. So this truck, low-key, yeah, it needed oil change. Like today, I'm planning on going to Wisconsin with it. That's mainly why I kinda want to do it.
Should have done it with the time in the gym with. Play all the way.
Chill. Exposing me. I only go to the gym and do cardio. I don't be trying to build muscle yet, you know. Just yet. Me fucking not focused on my legs because I play soccer. So. Look at me. Oh, it's hot, bro. Pull it up. I'm a pro. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. But we got the new oil filter right here. Make sure that we remove the gasket from here. Yeah, as you can see, we removed everything. It's not stuck up in there. Oh, look, I should rub some old oil. Fuck it. I don't think that's the best way, but it's just to lubricate it. So. Lubricate it. And then put it back in. Put it back in there. That's what she said. Tighten it donde ya no puedas. Don't want to break it. Good. Clean up your mess. Let's go. You got a funnel? Anybody got a funnel out there so I can dump the oil? Oh, what? Damn, bro, I got dirty quick. But I got my phone. Let me just dry it because obviously you don't want water to go in your engine type shit. Song's been on my head lately, guys. Que tus ojos no los tendrán. You see? Oh, damn. You dropped like all the oil, bruh. Yeah, man, y'all let me know any books out there to read though, because I'm trying to get into reading. So, let me know. But Yeah. Y'all hear that? It's that good shit. But yeah, drop down in the comments down below what type of books I should be reading. I gotta type shit. Type. About to go get some cebolla, some cilantro. Spooty's party, so helping him out with doing some tacos for him. A taquero part-timer. And right now we're gonna turn it on a ver que cuánto le falta, but it should be good though. See how much oil it needs. Y soporta. Chilling. Ahí quedó. Yeah, let's go get some cebollas and cilantro before my dad gets home. It should be good. What I see about Wisconsin, let go. Got fresh oil. Clean it out here, you know. Gotta make it look nice for the client, you know, so they won't complain like, hey, my car been dirty. Where in the fuck, man? What the fuck is my car dirty, man? You open the hood and not dirty. Keep that phone on. We do recycling out here. Sir, you put it in the hole? What? No, just kidding. I mean, I'm not kidding, but actually do put it in the hole, bro. Bro, why is it dripping?
Levántalo.
Ah, la ver. Sí. Oh, quema cut. No.
Let's just say we recycle out here and it's dripping and shit. Man, now we out here cooking. Taqueria Kenny? Kenny les one taqueria, chill. For sure.
Never forget the bread.
Never.
One blunt.
Think about it. You're coming out of work, a long day, you know, it's been a long day at work. You're stressing, you just want to get home to your bed. My solution is get home to a Cayman. That's my solution. Oh, because I used to sleep like 14 hours plus after my shifts. Because I used to get morning shifts. Well, I mean, I still work morning shift, but I used to work morning shift, or I work morning shift, and I used to get home and just sleep till the next day. And now I get home, and bro, that's crazy because people are gonna be like, oh, it just turns 21, doesn't know how to act. But look, listen, I get home now and I just drink a Cayman, and I feel old. I'm not gonna cap. I feel like them dads that be coming home and they be like, watch out, cerveza, you know, after work. That's how I be feeling. I ain't gonna cap. But I understand why they do it now. Like, sincerely, like, it feels good. Like, you get home, you're stressed. Like, take the breeze in, like the summer breeze, and just lay in your, not lay, but like sit down in your backyard, crack a cold one open, and you're chilling. But yeah, chilling. You know, I already did my oil change. Now we just cooking, vibing for the party later or so. But yeah, man, I don't know. I'm probably gonna close out the video right here, guys. Thanks for hearing me out. Like I said, drop any comment that you want down below. Hopefully if you guys enjoy these type of videos of me just going on and on, just talking and stuff like that, hearing me out, just go ahead and subscribe, drop a comment saying that, you know, you fuck with the videos and stuff like that. And don't forget to like. And of course, got the boy Brian, Kenny LS1, and we're out. Peace.